class. Good morning everyone. Last class we have completed our second chapter. Started our new chapter. Let's take it. That means in this chapter you are doing the addition and the subtraction. Mostly we are doing in this chapter is subtraction. Do you know subtraction? The one or two examples we learned the last class. Okay, then in the beginning of this chapter, then one problem is there. So one lengthy problem. You look at the board, children. Then what is the problem? This first one is some children running a school store. By the government school, UP school students running one store, school stores. Okay, then the stock board is there. Every shop has a stock board. Price, items, each item says how much rupees, like that. It's a stock board. And this one stock board. Cost, it means price. Item, stock. How much is there? How many items is there? How many quantity is there? How much is there? Like that, the stock. Okay, then 10 notebook. How many notebook? 100 notebook. One notebook what? 10 rupees. Pen, how many pens? 50 pens. One pen is equal to what? 6 rupees. Then pencil, how many pencil is there? 75. Then one pencil equal to what? 3. It's a stock board. Cost here, item, stock. Okay, in these children, I will read first of all, you take your textbook, then you watch this video. Okay, children. Then stock board. The first question. What about this given? What about today's sale? Today's sale is the. What is today's sale is notebook. How many notebook bought? Sale 25. Pens 15 pens sale. Then pencil 20 pencils sold. Okay. Then 20 sold 25 notebook, 15 pens and 20 pencils. Understood? Then what is the balance stock after today's sale? Today's sale is given. We need to find out what is the balance stock after today's sale. Balance stock. How to do the balance? You do the addition or subtraction. How to find out the balance? Do addition or subtraction. See? What is? Yes, you do the subtraction. Balance. Balance means you do the subtraction. Okay. Then what? First of all, the stock board, how many notebook? 10 notebook. Then how many notebooks sold? 25. So you are writing what? 100 minus 25. Then do the problem here. 100 minus 25. This is what? This is with borrowing subtraction. Subtraction is two types. Without borrowing and with borrowing. Addition also. With carryover and without carryover. This is what? With borrowing. How to borrow this one? 0 minus 5 is possible? No. Again, the tens place also 0. 0 minus 2 is possible? No. Then what? We are taking what? 1. Take 1 borrow from 1. 1 borrow from 1. 1 will be what? 0. This 0 will be 10. Again 1 borrow from this 10. Borrow means what? Minus. Then this is a 10 figures. 1 borrow, how much left? How many fingers left? 9. 10 will be 9. Then 0 will be 10. Okay, then this 1's place and 10's place is 0. So we are taking 1 borrow from 1. 1 become 0. 0 will be 10. Again 1 borrow from 10. 10 will be 9. Then 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 what? 5. 9 minus 2, take 9 fingers. Close with 2 fingers. How many left? What is 7? Then what is the answer? 75. Then this is 0. Now need to write it down. Okay, 100 minus 25 equal to 75. Then how many balance notebook is that stored? 75 notebook. Okay, next pencil. Total how many pen is there? 50. How many pens sold? 15 pens sold. So 50 minus 50. Again. Now space is there, so I rub here. Then whatever. 50 minus 50. 0 minus 5 possible? No. So 1 borrow from 5. Borrow means minus. 5. 1 borrow from 5. 5 become what? 4. 5 become 4. This 0 will be 10. Understood? 0 will be 10. 10 minus 5 what? 5. 4 minus 1, take 4 fingers. Close 1 finger, how many? 3. Then what about 35? The balance pen is 35. Then we have to find out the balance pencils. How many pencils is already there in store? 75. How many pencils sold? 20. So 75 minus 20. This is what? With borrowing. This is a with borrowing. The next one what? 75 minus 20. 5 minus 0? Yes, 5 minus 0 what is? Any number subtract minus 0, what is the answer? That will get what? Same number. 5 minus 0, 5. 2 minus 0, 2. 3 minus 0, 3. 9 minus 0, 9. 3 minus 0, 3. The any number minus 0, what will get? You will get the same number. 5 minus 0, 5. 7. All of you take 7 fingers in your hand. Then close the 2 fingers. Then count the balance fingers. How many? 5. Then how many pencils is there? Balance is 55 pencils. Then today's sale is given. Then we need to find out what is the balance stock after today's sale. Then in the stock, keep a stock board. What many balance is there? Notebook 75, pen 35, pencil 55. Okay. Then new day stock board. Then what about the new day stock board? This is the new day stock board. 75, 35, 55. This is the balance. Okay. Then what about the next question? Next day, 72 notebook, 100 pens and 125 pencils were added. Find the total stock of each items now. Find the total stock of each items now. Then we have to rub this up. Then you have to find out the total. You see this word total. This word is given, what we'll do? We do the addition or subtraction. How to find out the total? We do the subtraction or addition. We do the addition. The next day stock is given. The next day that school store bought 72 notebook, 100 pens and 125 pencils. So we find out the total notebook. That the day is beginning, how many notebook? 75. How many more notebook bought? 72. Then add 75 plus 72. Add it. 5 plus 2, what is the answer? 5 plus 2. Count after 5. Take 2 fingers. Count after 5. 6, 7. Okay. 7 plus 7, what is the answer? 40. Then what is the answer? 147. Okay, then how many pen? How many pen is there? The beginning that day 35. How many more added? 100. 35 plus 100, what is the answer? 100 plus 35. 5 plus 0. Any number plus 0, what is the answer? Same number. 5. 3 plus 0, 3. 1. Then what is the answer? 135. Okay, next pencil. How many pencil is there? 55. How many pencil more added? 125. Then add these two numbers. 125 plus 55. 125 plus 55. 5 plus 5? 10. What is the carryover? 5 plus 2, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 1 is write down. Then how many pencils is there? 180. The next day, the beginning of next day, the notebook 75, pen 35, pencil 55. Then how many notebook added? 75 plus 72, 100, 125. We need to find out the total number of notebook, pen and pencil. We got it. How many notebook is there in the store? 147. Pen 135. Pencil 180. Okay, one more addition question is there in the stock board. Okay, children. Okay, children. Now we are discussing the same problem, the stock board. The last one we are getting the notebook 147, pen 135, pencil 180. The another question is, Amos bought 25 notebook, 24 pens and 29 pencils from the store. Find the balance of each in the store. Again we need to find out the balance. Okay, then Amos bought how many notebook? 25. How many pen? 24. How many pencils? 29. The total, the stock has what? Notebook 147, pen 135, pencil 180. We need to find out the balance. How to find out the balance? You do the subtraction. Okay, then the numbers is given here, the notebook. Then in the store, how many notebook? 147. Anu bought how many notebook? 25. Then 147 minus 25. 147 minus 25. 7 minus 5. All of you take 7 fingers in your hand. Close the 5 fingers. What will get? 2. Again take 4 fingers. Then close the 2 fingers. 4 minus 2. What is the answer? 2. 1 is write down. Then the answer is 122. In the store, how many notebook is balance? 122. Then how many pen is there? 135. Anu bought how many pen? 24. So 135 minus 24. 135 minus 24. All of you take 5 fingers. 5 minus 4. Close the 4 fingers. What will get there? 1. 3. Take 3 fingers. Close the 2 fingers. What will get there? 1. Then this one is right. Then what will, the answer is 111. The balance pens in the store 111. Then pencils 180 minus. How many pencils bought? 29. 180 minus 29. Then do it. Take your rough book and do it. 180 minus 29. Do 180 minus 29. 0 minus 9 possible. No. One borrow from which nearest number, which is the nearest number? 8. Then 8. 1 is left. Then balance is what? 7. 8 will be 7. 0 will be 10. 10 minus 9, what is the answer? 1. 7 minus 2, what is the answer? 5. 1 is write down. Then what is the answer? 151. So now that store is 122 notebook, 111 pen and 151 pencils. Okay, that the stock board we are doing the so many problems, addition and subtraction. I hope you all are understood the first section. Then what about the second question? Then the second question is what? Mother has 400 rupees note and 5 10 rupee notes, 5 10 rupee notes with her. She gave 120 rupees to Anu. What is the left with Anu's mother now? What are the notes with her? But this word, you look at this word left. The any problem, this word is given left. You do the subtraction. Okay, any word problem is given, that this word is given in the word problem left. Is you are doing the subtraction. Okay, we already know that 400 rupees. 400 equal to what? 400. 5 10 rupees. 5 tens is equal to what? 50. That you know that. Then that mother's hand, how many rupees? How much rupees in Anu's mother hand? How to find out? Mother has 405 tens rupees. Then what? 400 plus 50 is equal to 450. Mother's hand what? Mother's hand how much rupees? 450 rupees. Then mother gave to Anu. Mother gave to Anu how much rupees? 120 rupees. Then mother had 400 plus 5 tens 50, 400 plus 50, 450 rupees. Then mother gave to Anu 120 rupees. Then what is the question? Amount left with Anu's mother. Then how much money left with Anu's mother? Total how much money? 450. Then gave to Anu 120. So you do it. 140 minus 120. So you do the subtraction. 140 minus 120. 0 minus 0? 0. 5 minus 2 what is? 5 minus 2 take 5 fingers. Cross with 2 fingers 3. 4 minus 1 3. Then some other hand how much rupee? 330 rupees. How to write 330 rupees to notes? We already know that this is the places. 0 ones, 3 tens, 300. Then how many 100 rupees and how many 10 rupees? You are writing here 300 rupee notes and how many 10 rupees note? 3 10 rupee note. Okay, then how many notes is there? 300 rupees note and 3 tens rupees note. This already do the place value. So you write easily, I think. Okay, children, now we are discussing here the 2 word problems. First one is one lengthy. I hope you all are understood the first section. Okay, children, now let's wind up the class now. Then we will catch up later. Bye.